just ended a 2-decade wait and dropped its first true full-size 3-row SUV. This is the all-new 2027 Audi Q9, finished in this striking blue, and it just went official as Audi's biggest production vehicle ever at 209 inches long on a 123.5-inch wheelbase. CEO Gernot Dollner is calling it the new flagship of the entire Audi portfolio. Up front, matrix LED headlights mark the first time Audi's brought fully adaptive matrix lighting to a US market model, precisely aiming individual LED elements without blinding oncoming traffic. The illuminated single-frame grille is genuinely striking, with advanced line trim getting a bold vertical LED illumination element built right into it. The 4 rings badge sits illuminated at the center. Side profile is genuinely boxy and upright, aggressive proportions that don't apologize for the size, riding on standard 21-inch alloy wheels with 22 and 23-inch options available. Around back, the world's first curved OLED taillights wrap fully around the sides, using glass as thin as a human hair, split into 512 total segments with 8 customizable light signatures. A clamshell tailgate opens into properly usable cargo space too. Step inside and this cabin genuinely commits to feeling premium. Audi deliberately avoided high-gloss plastics everywhere, leaning instead into wood trim, decorative inlays, and Nappa leather with a completely new interior lighting setup running through the cabin. The digital stage screen architecture runs an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit, a 14.5-inch central touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch passenger display. Front and available second-row seats get massage function. Rear doors swing open a full 90 degrees for easy entry, and power-operated doors can even be closed with a touchscreen button. Second-row seats slide and tilt electronically, making third-row access genuinely easy, and latch anchors are fitted on every second and third-row seat. Third-row legroom lands right around 29 inches, matching the Q7, not beating it. Cargo space is a real strength though, 19.3 cubic feet behind the third row, growing to 43.8 up to 50 cubic feet with that row folded, and a van-like 87.7 cubic feet with both rear rows down. Audi also fitted its biggest panoramic sunroof ever with a standard roof rack up top. Under the hood, the Q9 runs a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, making 427 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque through an 8-speed automatic and standard quattro all-wheel drive, hitting 0 to 60 in 4.9 seconds, genuinely quick for something this size. And that twin-turbo note has real character to it, not the muted whisper you'd expect from a 3-row family hauler. It rides on standard adaptive air suspension with rear axle steering, pulling a 43.6-foot turning circle despite the massive footprint, and it's a pure gas engine, no hybrid-assisted launch. Pricing starts at $89,995, with deliveries beginning Q4 2026, going straight after the BMW X7, Mercedes-Benz GLS, and Cadillac Escalade. Would you take this over an X7 or GLS? Drop your pick below and subscribe. Car Rev 3's got another wild one coming soon.